Nakakadaw dalam kaki yang kini entry bagi exit point kalau yang hang kini aku hati sedap aman di sana mengaku berkelong mata kali kaan kalau tek kumtuka an kebom bilang habaki bilang kindam kaaju kesenjar nakakadaw dalam kaki yang kini kaan aku kacala kazuni
unong tem gitar ubat tebet bat unong tauser jonggeri Poland umat zen pat civic Hagajing wan jungo ya geri India ulapan pau ya kajing yap bit jong u ya kajing itanat jong ke Shillong. Kijing tem jing put babun jat bat kajing shong shit kinong pet kai ki bedang samla. Habaya keren bet kilap patai kubor mentakas gi u put javek ula ong bu yap bit bha ya kajing long ke meriang ha Shillong. Kurukom im bat kajing ya shim benta shit rehem ki pait ba habadon ki program live music. Ula ya ro ru ya kajing yar jong kajing tem tenrai keri India ba ulapan pau ya kajing kwa ban ya tem lang bat kinong tem jong kathan. Uni unong tem u bala pau nam ha kurukom tem ka ba pher bha ya ka gitar ula ong ba ka thong ga jong u kalong banwan ra ya ka ni kurukom tem sha khambun shu shu kinong sngap kai. Upat javek un sa tem ha ka margin art of guitar tour ar hajar apos nrio ha ka khat outrik unai lar ha larity performing center mau ka siang Shillong.
Why is the airport so far away? That's the first impression. But then I realized, oh my God, we are climbing a mountain right now. So really it was like I had my phone in the car and I was looking at the map and I see it's like Bhutan is here, Nepal is here, India is there. And I feel like this is absolutely incredible how far music has taken me. Because let's be honest, Shillong is a remote city, right? Like, I mean, it's one of the most remote places I've been to in my life. So this is the first impression, it's very, very exotic. But then getting into the city after like 3.5 hours of driving, I was so impressed that it's like a real city, you know, like it's with the neon lights, you know, took us to the blues show. It's just it's like a learning process for me because again, I come from a very different country, very different culture. And you don't expect places in such remote locations to be as cool, you know, it's just cool. Even look at this cafe, like how cool is this? Like I could go to this cafe in New York, you know, and it would be great. And I'm in Shillong, so I'm just very impressed. Right.
Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh negasngi ula play ka natural and graft mat ha ka office tray kam ga jong u khnang ban penyo ek self help group bat kinong seng kam la jong ha ka than ya ka yo na ka benta jong ki kani ka sinjam ya ka bala ai jing ka shan ki board penya district ka MSRLS bat ka district mission management unit kan pen inam ki mar ki bala pen mi ha ka than kan thop ya u shin rai la ka dong uslasha u khausao kangap ki musla ki jingbam shnahi but ki jingshna kti bahar rukom u deputy commissioner ula kentui ki self help group ban penne ya ki jing penmi but jing bha jong ki mar ki jong ki da ka ba ong ba ka benta jong ka yo ka di ban play bon ki lat ban kamai jakpo bat ban penya ya ki mar ki ba penmi ha ka than.
Yes, what I would also like to request the SAG, as has been said earlier as well, that the products have to be there, the variety has to be there, and the promotion of the same lies with us. The entire team of the DC office, I believe, as well as of the MSLRS department, will help you out to make sure that your livelihood needs are met, and also of the customer, making sure that the authentic products are getting delivered in the time as it is available.
Ka MEGHALAYA AIDS Control Society kan sa penlong ya ka HIV awareness campaign ka bahe na ka benta arbanai ha ka lengki benta jong gajala na do la shai ka sngi ka ban pai khmat halor ga jingle iki test ka jing yo jing sumar kila jing da bat ka jing pendunai ka jing shepting bat jing bet Menteri Katanat ka koi ka kya uba wailat miki shilla un sa play ka ni ka campaign ha Lady King College Shillong kani ka sinjam kan kenthop ya baro ki khat atli ki district da ka jing penlong ya bon jat ki program ha ki shispa apun riutli ki shnong kumbalai hajar tli ki jingalang ki school prapusan tli ki program ha ki college but khat san hajar tli ki program pen priang jing tip hamman la ki thliu yeng Kani ka campaign kan kenthop ru ikijing le kai patba ki special help camp ha ki hospital jong ki district na lor ki way. Ka max ka ong ba kani ka campaign kan sa kentiu ikijing syam kam kloy ya kajing pang HIV bet kajing ai jing sumar bat kajing ai kajing tip ka basisha halor kilat banyada.
And the main purpose of this conference is to brief regarding the intensified IEC, which will be launched tomorrow by Health Minister Shri Vailadniki Shilla at Lidikin College at 11 a.m. So the purpose or the main objectives of this intensified IEC is to enhance the awareness in the general population, pregnant mother, the youths, in the peri-urban, the slum, and also in the rural areas regarding the 4 routes of transmission of HIV. So this intensified IEC will be launched tomorrow and will continue for 2 months till 12th October 2026, which will be rolled out throughout the state, to all the 12 districts of the state. And through this intensified IEC, we have a specific target that we have to cover. Like we have to cover the 126 villages, then 3,000 awareness which will be done across the school, then 85 awareness in the colleges, 15,000 door-to-door campaign and direct personal interaction, 30 folk performance, 30 flash mob, and 16 special health camp to be held in all the district hospital.
Ka jilla Meghalaya ka baju paunam ya ka jingjor slap jongka kala ban mat ya ka jingduna slap mentau snem ha ka ba ka tanat India Meteorological Department kala maha mandan ka jingduna ka jinghap slap ha kita yau ki banwan utang jala luvum ubade senior scientist but u clear jongka office ka tanat IMD Meteorological Center Shillong ula ong ba ka jilla ka don kam ya ka leer sangem ka bana ka duriau Bay of Bengal banyo pediang ya ka ayom slap ka babiang ha ka ba minta ka long ka beduna Ulaong bagatanat IMD kalapan mi ya ka jing ya tu lupa ya ka jing long ka suin beneng nak benta sansngi bat ya ka jing maham nak benta hinyau sngi kat balapan mi ru ya ka jing maham ringkat ka jing ya trelang bat ka State Disaster Management Authority haba ka jing long ka suin beneng ka long ka babu jing ma katanat IMD kala kentui ki pat ba ban pendon kam ya ka mosam app nak benta ka jing pentip ba kam benya halor ka jing long ka suin beneng.
This year monsoon has been below normal with large deficit till now, and in the coming weeks it is expected to be the extended rain forecast is expecting below normal rainfall to continue for a few weeks more, and our DG will be updating the outlook for September and end of August again. Yes, for extreme weather events, especially where involved intense precipitations, we always give warning, 5 days warning, and also for the public, in coordination with SDMA, we issue common alert, alerts, impact-based forecast, and alerts, also CAP alerts.
Mentang ini pas kubo nak katan cete lamingi. Kisamla pulih haringkat kiseng bhalang jong ke Manipur bakentop ya ka IFD student wing bat ka campaign for just and fair delimitation kila pelong jingyaki bandawa bayakan National Register of Citizens day ban penbit penbiang haswa jong jinglom khana summary ki kenhun ki kwa ban pentamai shwa ya ke NRC dakaba pendon kam ya jinglong jingtip kat kum usnem kat khandai spa san pawai bat ong bakalong kabadon kam ban itu ya kinong rung bean ki bebinrap bagi jing dawa jong ki ai sa kum jo klem don gajing yakren mental shisnam shiteng bat ki la kentui ki bor penyai ban pensdang no ya ki jing yakren.
We are organizing this demonstration as a human and in protest against the decision not taken up by both state and central government, which we have already fixed the deadline in August 6th, and later on the decision that the decision that has come on after the 2 days consultative meetings that has been held in Classic Grande, Imphal.
What are your demands?
Our demand is simple: no NRC, no census. Until and unless NRC is implemented in the state of Manipur, there shall be no census exercise in the state of Manipur. Our demand is clear and it's our complete stand.
We are protesting here. We are protesting, demanding no census before NRC and give us a permission to first conduct NRC before census.
Mentangin ya pashi kubo nakari. Kejingalang jong ke NDA Parliamentary Party ke basisen shitayau ka Mangal Milan la penlong menta kesengi hayeng dorbar Parliament New Delhi ha ke ba Menteri rang ba du keri Narendra Modi, Menteri ke tenat ki kampo yeng Amit Shah, Presiden ke BJP Nitin Nabin bat kiwe kinong ilam ke NDA ke le kawe ya kalama jong keri ha kejingalang. Menteri rang ba du keri Narendra Modi ulakan tu ikinong song jong keri banya shimenta shitrhem ha ka har ghar tiranga campaign hashwa ka sngi rakhe ya ka Independence Day ha ka khatsantrik unailar bat ka jingkin mau burom ya ki nong yele lai lot keri ha ka kirwa leng ba ka rinsan social media Modi ulak hot ya we ki pai ba ban kintiyo ya kalama keri ha ki yeng ki sem jong ki bat ban pentma ya ka jing smai jong ki na ka benta bante ya ka Viksit Bharat Ulaong ba ka campaign menta usnem kadeshi benta jong gajing rakhe ka linkho usnem bashis pa sanpau jong gajing rwai Vande Mataram.
आइए 15 अगस्त को आन बान शान से मनाएं, स्वतंत्र सेनानियों को श्रद्धांजलि दें, विकसित भारत का संकल्प लें, हर घर तिरंगा, घर घर तिरंगा, हर मन तिरंगा। आइए हर घर पर तिरंगा लहराइए। भारत माता की जय।
Mentangin ya pash ki kubona ka perthei. Ki kenhun pelaj kilaya biteng ban ajing Arab ha Colombia hadien ba ujumai ba 9.0 magnitude ulalej ban pen kenyu ha kategori. President Abelardo de la Espriella ulaong ba kumbalay pusan ngut kila khlat bat kumba news pa ngut kila mensau ha Valle del Cauca province kat ba shispa prapu prangut ki weipat kidang jarangai. Kajing ke jong ujumai kila pen kelem ya shibundli jing tei bat jing julari ki yang kisam lapan terikam ya ke curfew hakali da kajing sngau khia ba yo don kajing shalute kumta la bo shusho ya ki pulit bat ki sipai hakate ga jaka ki he officer kila maham ba kajing don jong ki bayap kala banang kiyo kat ba kajing wat bat jing pelai kadang yai beteng syakman. KHASI kalakot ya ke Indian Space Research Organisation bania snok tilang halor jing terwa ya ke moon base program kebapen ya ke jing trelang ke bajilio hal pedeng ke United States but India ha ke jing let wat bania shahau kani kerai kelawan hadien ke jing lang bakhandai jong ke Civil Space Joint Working Group ha Bengaluru balapen ya lang da ke US Department of State but KHASI Hakaba kini ki artili kiri kila penyar ya ka Trust Initiative jongki ka jing terwa jong ka NASA ka temu ban ajing kersyani ki kampule benya katkom kasayan ha ubanai bat ban yarap ru ban pen kre ya ki nong let mission sha Mars hadien habon. Mentangin ya pash ki kubor ya le akai. Ka district level Spandant League under 18 football tournament ya kabala penyat daka 144th Battalion BSF Hatura kalakut no mentakasngi Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Football Stadium. Haduk handriutli ki school bat khat arspa angut kinong ilekai kle shimenta hakalimpung hakaba ke Government Boys Higher Secondary School Tura kalapen rem no ya ka Rongram United Secondary School dalai la not haka final. DIG SHQ ka Tura ulalit Mohan Sharma ula ai kublei ki dong job bat pensluri ki samla ye lekai ban bat ya ka akor ke brom ke jing trelang bat bandon ya ke jing jem sulman sim ya kani ka lempung la penlong kumshi benta jong ke jing rakhe ke jubilee dap real posnem jong ke BSF bat ka spandant program.
देखने के बाद मैं वास्तव में बहुत प्रसन्न और उत्साहित हूँ। दोनों टीमों ने जिस जोश, अनुशासन, मेहनत और खेल भावना के साथ अपना प्रदर्शन किया है वह निश्चित रूप से प्रशंसनीय है। सबसे पहले मैं विजेता टीम को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ। आपने पूरे टूर्नामेंट में शानदार प्रदर्शन करते हुए आज फाइनल मुकाबला जीतकर अपनी मेहनत को सफलता में बदला।
Ka MEGHALAYA State Archery Championship kelasdang mentakasngi Hasai Nehu Shillong hakabashis pa kha prangut kinong yasiat knam kilawan na keleng ki benta jongga jela banishim menta hakjingele kai recurve compound but Indian round event kani kalimpung balai sngi linter kalong shibenta kom gajing pen kre ya ka jela na ka benta ka National Games ar punyo ya ka ba ka jela MEGHALAYA kan penya ya kalimpung. Ka Secretary Jong Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs ikong Isawanda lalu ila ong ba ka sarkar ka ai jing kersyan ki Sports Association lingba ka jing baiting ka jing ai jing hikai ka jing pen biang ni kitiar kitar bat ki wei ki jing don kam ila benrap ba kumbalai pukandai klor tingka la dep ban pelat na ka san posau klor tingka ka pisa bala mang na ka benta ban kintiu ki kamele kai sports kani ka jing yakop ka ai ru ya ka rinsan ka bapaka tam bat ban penklan shushu ikiriu don sap ha ka jing asiat khnam ki ban penkre na ka benta ka National Games.
Today is a great day to be out and to see, a glimpse of what the state sports associations are doing, particularly in view of the fact that, as you all know, we are thick in the preparation for the upcoming National Games. As Madam Nongri has stated, the government is attempting to leave no stone unturned to render all possible support to the state associations, be it in procuring the best of human resources and coaches, equipment, developing infrastructure, and whatever else is needed to ensure that the ecosystem in which they train for the National Games is one that is conducive and one that will produce medals for the state next year. Through the financial support which has been rendered through the state, almost 39 crores has been released to all the different associations. A total of 54 has been sanctioned. I'm so happy to state that the Archery Association of Meghalaya is one of a handful which has actually, showed deliverables, which has actually achieved a lot in this short period of time. And I congratulate all of you for the wonderful work that you have done.
Kalimpung yele kai duran kop kalapoi sya ka weipat ka benta mentakasngi da ka jing pelong ya artli jing yele kai hapadeng ka group E but F kat baki kenhon yele kai ki yakun menyo rung sya ka knock out haga group F ka North East United FC kala penliam no ya ka FC1 dalai la shikol haga jing yele kai duran kop hagawati upatip Sundar Gogoi ula yo tap kol ASEAN haka minit ba shipau bat basan polai kat ba Aladin RJ ula tap ya ka kol ka balai haka minit ka ban riu punyo Muhammad Ilyas ula yo pen pai kala shikol na ka benta ka FC1 haka minit ka ba nyo paway haka limpong yele kai hashilong ka nong Sports and Social Cultural Club kan siya kun persya ya ka Mumbai FC haka jing kun hapadeng ki kunhon ka group E ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Shillong kani ka jing yele kai kan sedang hakapor nyo baje menta ka janmin Timenta pa ngini pa igajing long juman kasun mineng hakeleng ki benta jong gajela Hatura ka jingshit jingkret ka swimming ka bakiyo ka long lai po 4 degree Celsius but ka bahiyar ka long 1 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw ka long propon rio na kasispa. Ka jing hap slap ka long 0.9 milimeter. Haba pai pat shinong ba shilong ka jingshit jingkret ka swimming ka bakiyo ka long 4 degree Celsius but ka bahiyar ka long kat kandai degree Celsius. But ka jing sngam ka haw ka long propon rio na kasispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.3 milimeter. Kat bahajawai kajing shit jingkret kasun beneng kabakiyo kalong 4 degree Celsius but kabahiyar kalong 4 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahaw kalong prapulay na kasispa. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.1 milimeter. Kajing batay kajing long kasun beneng hatura shilong bajawai. Kala bandon kajing hap slap kabamalumala but kajing tiet upertat hakibabon kijaka. Syaban poy syabakut juga tup kubon ngene pek biang sashise ni kimat bakangsan. Penrem ke BGP Meghalaya ke rukam tem ki pulit persyak yang jing ki kena pulih haranchi kentu ke sarkar hacharkan ban penbet yang jing jongki. Sedang ke KSU ke kampeen ke jela barok ke wai hamau kerwat halor santali kimat jing dawa maham ya ke sarkar MDA 2 ban om tunjuk ya ke bor jangka. Yero unong tem gitar ubat tibet ke ripolen umat zen put shevek ya ke jing ya ke put ke tem hasilong. On sepen i ke rukam tem jong u hasilong hakakat arterik unailar. Bat kentu Menteri Rang Bakduk Keri Narendra Modi kinong syong ban se ya kalama keri haki yeng kisem bat ban yashimenta haka har khar tiranga campaign hashwa kasni rakhe ke jingyo lai lot jong keri. Ti parlok atung ila poi syabukut jogatup kuboj gi mata janmet hadu benginde syambiang bat pila syai kasni kublei pi baro.